This is gonna be a thing on how to use Floor Planner on Google Docs. My favorite part is going through all this stuff, especially the structural, and putting roofs and everything onto my houses. And there's even like fans. There's everything you could probably imagine in it. Wait a minute, I have to reload it. Sorry about it freezing. Now it's starting to load. Load, why don't you work? There we go. It's putting everything in right now. I have like a game room and stuff in my house. And this isn't going to be too in depth with it. There's 2007. There's a lot of things you have to go through if you want to find something by going like that. I'm just going to go up here. And it's kind of complicated when it wouldn't record right when I was in it bigger. I'm sorry about that. So you're going to have to watch it in teeny. I'm looking for the roofs right now. It's gonna take forever to do the roofs. As you can see, there's tons of stuff. I'm gonna delete it all. Sorry about my mouse, too. You can get fireplaces and place a fireplace in your house. I'll try getting it bigger. It might take a while to load, so I might have to cut. Yay, it's working. I think. Yep, you can come up onto the school I made. They even have a trampoline in their school. Here I think there's something I messed around with. Like there's an elephant, a T-Rex in this house. And if I go down a little farther, I have an arcade in my house that you can actually play, but you need to hire people. It's kind of like The Sims, but not. I made a garage, my hanging clothes, my shrubs, my bathroom that you have no way to get into, so you gotta hold it for a long time. A urinal. As you can see, you can make them giant, you can make them any color. They're a red urinal. And I can go into this one's ID. You can spin the toilet around. Make the toilet brown. Ew, it's a golden toilet. I'm gonna check my recording level right now. And, oh no, not the bathtub. The bathtub needs to stay in there. I might do a vlog. And you can get bicycles. Ooh, and also there's something really cool that you can do. You got to go to garage. You can get cars. And there's even sports cars. Go over. There's that, and there's bicycles and stuff. There's a motorboat and a canoe and stuff. A sports car, a motorcycle, a disc saw, a bandsaw, all sorts of stuff. Ladders. I'll show you what the motorcycle looks like. It's pretty big. And you can actually ride this stuff around, but you need to get the gas pumps and everything. And I might stop recording pretty soon. Oh, and I also have a pool table.